Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by deciding the hardware and software path. If you already have an Android or iPhone, install a reputable scanner app. Otherwise, choose a USB or handheld scanner. Once done, make sure camera settings allow autofocus and that the device has good lighting access. You want to avoid blurry scans and wasted customers' time. Also check compatibility with your point of sale or inventory system, so the scanner integrates smoothly and saves you duplicate entry later. Next, install the app or drivers and open the configuration pane. You should set the accepted code types, QR plus any barcodes you use, and map each scanned field to your POS or inventory columns. Once configured, test with 5 different items: fast codes, damaged labels, and small prints. If scans fail, tweak exposure, scanning distance, or symbology settings. Make sure sounds or haptic feedback are enabled so you know a read succeeded without looking away from the customer. To finish, lock down settings and run a short staff training. Show 2 quick techniques, steady hold and slight tilt, and have everyone scan 3 items. Once confident, back up configurations and document a rollback process. If you hit problems, first check lighting and scan angle, then update firmware or the app and retest. If issues persist, switch temporarily to manual entry while you swap hardware or reinstall software. That keeps sales moving and gives you time to fix the root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.